This is the x-axis, goes like this. Y-axis, the Z is the up and down like that.
You need to move those foam things?
Yeah. Oh. Okay, get those, yeah, remove it. Alright. Woo! This must go back here. Yeah, let's put those right there. Alright. Awesome. Time to read the manual. You want to read the manual?
Here, look here, guys. Look here.
Oh.
1,
Hi.
2. Come and smile. Why you do your eyes like that? Regular eyes. Thank you. Okay, point your fingers down.
Like this, 2, 3. 3 for 3D.
3. Oh, Cohen, you did the bad hand. The bad finger. I might have gotten it. Ew. 1, 2. Look at me. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
This is so cool. My son and I just got a 3D printer to add to our workshop, and we are setting it up right now. We got the Bambu A1 with the automatic material feeder here, the AMS. Right now it is undergoing calibration just to minimize the amount of sound. You don't see it? Starting. So look at this. This is our first print. Super excited about it. It's of these 3 little turtles. Look at the detail on that thing. Supposed to be able to bend these. That is cool. Let's turn the head up a little bit. There we go. Also, I just checked them all, these 3, and 3 out of 3 are in excellent condition. They printed out really well, and there wasn't a lot of extra fuzz around the turtles, so we are really happy with this, and we can't wait to try out some of the other prints, maybe some dragons or something like that.